right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So in this video, I'm going to be doing this orange summer kind of makeup look. I don't even know what I'm going to title this video yet. But if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. So I'm going to start with my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in white just so my lighter eyeshadow colors can really stand out.
I'm just going to tap the rest in with my finger.
For my transition color, I'm going to go in with this yellow, and this is a NYX eyeshadow. And this one is called STFU. Now I'm going to be taking this orange shade, and this is going to go right under the yellow. And this shade is called LOL. For my outer corner, I'm going to be using this ColourPop palette. You can't even see it. And I'm going to be taking this orange, which is called Louis. It's like a burnt orange. And then this brown, which is called Mischief. I'm just putting that on only on the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with my white eyeshadow base and carve out the crease. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back into this orange and put it all over my lid and really pack it on because I want it as vibrant as possible. Alright, so now that my lid is done, I'm going to go back into the outer corner color and blend that together. For my eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this NYX liner gel and creating that. Alright, so I'm just going to come back to the eyes and I'm going to start on my face. So I'm going to use this color corrector by LA Girl Pro. So now I'm going to go in with this concealer, and this is in Fawn. Alright, so now I'm just going to use a little bit of this and put this like in the middle areas of my face. And then to highlight under my, well, on my cheek area, I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in medium beige. And now I'm going to use this bronzer to bronze my face. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my tear duct with this yellow shade, which is called French Kiss. So I'm going to be using this black liner to do my lower lash line. And I'm gonna put some orange under my lash line. The highlighter that I'm using is this Wet n Wild, and this is called Golden Flower Crown. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with this NYX liner. It's a lip liner and the name of it is called Nude Truffle. And the last thing I'm going to add is this clear gloss. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.